Hey loves, my name is Winnie Jean. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? If you are a returning subscriber, then you know I've been obsessed with these V-part wigs. I love a good frontal, don't get me wrong. I'm about to get back to my roots soon, but it's something about the V-part that just gives me sew-in vibes. And I miss a good sew-in, child. Those were the days. If I can find some pictures of me with like sew-ins from high school, I'll insert them because girl, I used to run a good sew-in, okay? Today's video is sponsored by ShakeNGo. They sent me over this gorgeous body wave unit and it's kind of like a short, like natural hair type of vibe. The wig is a part of ShakeNGo's new True to You wig collection. They have 100% hand-tied wefts on the wig, so it lays really flat, which is perfect if you don't want to leave out a lot of hair to cover up your tracks, or if you have like thinner hair. And of course, because it's 100% human hair, you can dye it, bleach it, or perm it. You really have endless options with it, and I'm considering adding a few highlights. I think that would be really cute. I'm not gonna lie, I already been wearing it, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. I already have my hair braided. I basically have it to where I have 3 parts that I can wear, and then that way I can switch my part up whenever I want. I'm not putting heat on one particular area too much. And then the rest of the hair is braided up and tucked in the back. So I washed her, and this is what the hair looks like right after I wash and deep condition it. As you can see, it's 3 combs on the inside, 1 in the back, 2 on the sides. There's an adjustable strap, and then there's another comb in the back. So I'm just gonna attach my adjustable strap. I don't want it to be too tight, so I'm putting it on the first hook. And then it also has this like no slip little strip here, which comes in handy. I have my flat irons warming up already, and I'm gonna just take this little twist I put on my edges down. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. It has a heat protectant in there, so I'm just using a little bit of that on my edges because I've been cutting up with the heat, y'all. I don't know what it is about the winter time, but I just want to wear straight hair. Like, I feel like curly hair and locks are for the summertime, but in the winter I just want to be a straight hair hoochie. Like, I don't know why. This is some Frizz Ease extra strength serum for a little bit of shine, a little anti-frizz moment. And I'm just focusing on the edges right now because once I put the wig on, it's kind of hard to get to them and really get them straight. I'm using my Babyliss Pro 1-inch iron. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll link it down below. I love this flat iron so much. It heats up so fast, which I love. I remember them old school Conair flat irons, child. You'll be waiting 20 minutes just for it to get hot. And it only used to get to 300 degrees. Like, baby, why is it taking so long? And for this style, I want to do a middle part. So I'm just gonna throw the rest of these braids back into this clip. So I'm gonna leave this braid towards the front so that I can clip the wig around it. I'm starting by placing the clip in the back of my head first, because it kind of helps keep everything else in place. Then I'm gonna clip right behind the part. And then on either side. Okay, so this is what it's given with the natural texture, freshly put on. As you can see, it lays really flat. If you want to get your V-part to lay even flatter, you can use your hot comb right around the part and a little bit of like a wax stick after you wash it, and it'll get it really flat. But as you can see, she's laying really nicely. I'm trying to see if I want to trim it. Let me clip my hair out the way so I make sure I don't cut my hair. But maybe I need to give her a little trim. Okay. So the end should look nice and healthy. And I'm just kind of slide cutting around the front. I'm not cutting a lot at all. I just want the hair to have some type of shape to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair on top. I just have to take this little braid down. And when I'm ready to switch my part again, I just take my wig off, re-braid up the section, and then switch it to the other section and take that braid down. Because sometimes you want a side part, sometimes you want a middle part. I don't want to be stuck with a hairstyle once I braid my hair down and my hair is too thick to like put it in a ponytail. If you have like thinner hair or you have a relaxer, you may be able to get away with just like putting your hair in a ponytail and tucking it in your wig, but this is just one section of my hair and you see how thick it is. It's no way I'm gonna be able to fit all of my natural hair under this wig without it being in braids and being lumpy. So I'm taking those same two products, a little bit of that leave-in conditioner and some of the John Frieda Frizzies for some heat protection and shine. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and press my hair out on top. And I like to flat iron my hair in the direction that I want it to go in. So I'm starting off flat ironing a piece of hair going towards the back just to make sure my tracks ain't out, child. So now that I have my hair straightened, I'm just gonna go ahead and curl everything and then we'll get into the finished look. I'm trying to decide if I wanna do curls or like beachy waves. We're gonna see what happens, cause I'm not even gonna say nothing cause I've been in chose and then changed my mind. Let's see what the day takes us. While the curls are cooling, I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. I'm using this edge booster, scoop a little bit, okay? And I'm kind of feeling my little widow's peak look I got going on, so I'm not gonna do a middle swoop today. I'm just gonna slick it back and then do a couple of little side swoops. All right, so I have all of the curls and my baby hair is done, and I'm just kind of brushing everything through. Okay. This is the finished look. It literally looks like a silk press. Everything blends really, really well. It's laying so flat. This wig is fire. It's really, really easy. It's inexpensive and it's easily accessible because you can always find ShakeNGo hair in your local beauty supply. And if you can't, you need a new beauty supply, girl, because ShakeNGo is that girl, okay? All of the details for this wig that I'm wearing today will be down below in the description bar. Don't forget to send me pictures if you guys end up trying this wig out. I love to see your recreations of different hairstyles. The V parts and the U parts, honey, are here to stay. They back. Like they never left. I hope that you really enjoyed today's video. If you like this video, then like this video. It really helps my channel out, and I will see you in the next one, honey. Bye, loves.